Well, that's correct. The big exclusive story which we have for you today is from the NBFC space. We understand that M&A is hotting up in the NBFC space, consolidation, merger and acquisition. We understand that PNB Housing Finance, where PNB holds just over 32% stake. Rest of the big shareholders include Carlyle and General Atlantic. So PNB right now is evaluating exiting their stake in PNB Housing Finance. And in this evaluation, they are in touch with and in early discussions with existing private equity companies, which is Carlyle and General Atlantic, and also in touch with new investors, new private equity companies. So this particular deal could be valued at around 2,500 crore rupees, which is a third of the current market cap. And because 32% stake actually changes hands, this will also lead to open offer. So we understand that once private equity companies come in and fresh investors come in, there would be a complete change of guard and also key professionals. This will be run by a professional set of people after this transaction actually happens. If you also take into account PNB, which wanted to raise almost 7,000 crore for their own capital requirements in December of 2020, they did not manage to do that. They raised only 3,800 crore. So they fell short of their target as far as their own capital raising plan is concerned. We understand that this particular transaction will help them shore their balance sheet as well for their own capital requirements and growth requirement. So we spoke to the stakeholders, the key stakeholders. PNB Housing clearly said that we cannot comment on this matter. When we sent out our queries to PNB, they did not see any response at all. Carlyle said that they would like to decline any comment on our queries. But we understand that early discussions are happening and PNB will be exiting its stake. It will be a professionally run company led by a clutch of private equity companies. That's the direction it is moving in. If you look at the kind of valuations PNB Housing Finance is trading at, it is at a very lower end of the kind of other private equity companies, other private companies are trading at, HDFC, Bajaj Finance, many others. Also within the companies such as LIC Housing Finance, where there is public sector stake as well, even among them it is actually on the lower end, just less than one time price to book as far as the valuation is concerned. So people are saying that, analysts we spoke to are saying that if indeed there is a complete change of guard, change in the people who are running the company, and professionals come in, board changes, private equity, target red, very an ROA led and target red kind of a running of the company, there is a possibility that there could be a valuation improvement if everything goes in the direction what we are gathering from our sources.